If you plan on getting the best video mixer in 2026, then your best option is what? The OSEE GoStream video mixers. I know you've been seeing a lot of reviews, you've seen how good this mixer is, so I'm not here to bore you with that talk of how good the mixer is, because right now, obviously, I know you should know. You should know that already, that the OSEE GoStream mixer is the best video mixer you can get in the market, whether you're getting the Duet or the Duet 8 ISO. And yes, we have the Omni 12 that's coming out, so watch out for that. But I'm not here to talk about that, because it's obviously what a very good mixer. Hello guys, Certified here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys back. And in this video, I'll be talking about how you can install the software of the mixer, connect it with your laptop, whether you're using a Windows or your Mac, and update the firmware of the mixer. So one of the complaints I've been getting lately is when people buy their OSEE GoStream video mixer and they find it difficult to connect it with the software, whether the mixer is the firmware of the mixer is outdated, or they're using the latest software. So there's not just this compatibility. So I'm going to sort that out in this video. First thing first, we need to download the GoStream software control. And to do that, you just go to your Google, whatever browser you're using, and type the OSEE GoStream software download. Yeah, so once you type this, look at this first site that comes up, you click on it, and you want to scroll up. Now, this is what you need, the GoStream control. Right now, you notice that this is the latest version. So if you want to download from Mac users, you just click download for Mac. Windows users, click download for Windows. So straightforward. You don't need to stress yourself about that. Now, you might be wondering what this is here for. So this is for previous firmware. So maybe you just bought your deck or you just bought your Duets and you want to use the software. If you download this, it might not work with it if your video mixer is not updated to the latest firmware. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to update your video mixer, because I believe it's best that you should update your video mixer so that you can enjoy the new control software. But if you don't want to update, you can download this one here. That's the before. Again, it's best that you update and use the latest software. So for Mac right now, I'm just going to click on it, and it takes me to a Google Drive, and I click on download here. So click on download anyway, and it should start downloading. So it's going to download automatically, and once it's done downloading, I cancelled it because of course I've downloaded it several times. So just let's get straight into it, and I go to my downloads. So double click on it. So when you download it, comes in a zip format, so you want to unzip it. So if Windows user should know how to unzip it. It's just for me just to double click and it opens, and I have my software here. Now that we've downloaded and unzipped the file, let's install it. So now to install it, all I just need to do is to double click on the software logo, and it asks me, then you click open. For Windows users, it just asks you to verify. I mean, that's the normal way you install your software. Then you click yes, and you want to proceed. Yes, next. So you wait for it to install. Now, once it's done installing, you just click on finish, and you go to your launchpad, click on the software, and it should open. So right now, you can see mine connected automatically, but I'm going to show you how to update your firmware in case you download this latest software and you cannot connect it with your video mixer. So now to update your firmware, it's quite simple. You just want to go again, type the OSEE GoStream firmware update. Yeah, this is it. Then you want to click on it. First one again, click on the first link. Now for the GoStream Duet 8 ISO, this is a picture of how you can insert the memory card. For the deck and Duets, this is a picture of how you can insert the memory card into your video mixer so you don't get it wrong. So I'm going to scroll up right now, and you can see GoStream Duet 8 ISO firmware update, and scroll. So I can download the firmware updates because I have the 8 ISO with me. But if you're using the deck and the Duet, you just keep scrolling and download the firmware for the deck and the Duet. But because I'm using the 8 ISO, I'll just click on firmware download for this. Again, click download, and you want to download anyway, of course. All right, so you're allowed to download. Again, I've downloaded this, so I will not want to waste time doing that. So I just want to scroll up, go back to my downloads, Of course, you have to wait for yours to download. Though. So I want to go back to my download. You want to unzip it. This is it here. So I just double click again and unzip it. So you wait for it to unzip. So why this is unzipping the file, I also need to make mention that you need to get a memory card. So you want to get an SD card that you're going to impute into your GoStream device, because that's what you're going to use to update your device. You need a SD card. Now, what I would recommend for you to get the SD card, plug it into your video mixer and confirm that it is actually working with the OSEE GoStream. Make sure you can see it, because when you plug it in, it's going to show you amount left, the time left, and your storage space. So confirm that it's working. So once you confirm that it's working, in fact, you can even format it on your GoStream. So make sure that you are using a good SD card. Try and format the SD card directly on your video mixer. And if not, you can also format on your on your laptop. Once you confirm that the SD card is working, then you just eject it and you can plug it to your laptop. Mine is already plugged to the laptop already. So this is my SD card here. It's plugged to the laptop already. So of course I've confirmed that it is working with the video mixer. So now that it's done expanding, all I need to do now is to open the folder. Can you see this is the GoStream Duet 8 version 2.1. Open the folder, then you copy these two files that are here. That's the .bin and .md5 file. That should be the only two files that are in the folder. So you want to copy it. Now, once you copy it, you go to your SD card and you just paste it there. So you wait for it to paste on the SD card. It's done copying. I'm going to eject it right now and remove the SD card. So now, before I impute this SD card into my GoStream mixer, I want to make sure that I stop recording. So I'm going to stop my recording. Right now, my recording is on the camera. And the reason is because you're going to need to turn off this video mixer and impute the memory card inside the video mixer. So I'm going to turn it off. So you can see right now that it's updating. You can see, so once you turn it on, it just starts blinking this red. So it means it's updating and you have to wait for it. Right now, I can see that it's on 0%. So it's updating the firmware. Do not remove power or media. Right now, it's on 22%. So just wait for it to update. All right. So right now, the OSEE GoStream video mixer is done updating. And as you can see, so I'm just going to click on English. Yes, update to the latest firmware. So I just hold the menu down for like 2 seconds, and yeah, then I start recording on my video mixer and I'm back. So it's that simple. Now for the fun part, once you have your OSEE GoStream video mixer firmware updated, how do you connect it now with your laptop? There are two ways to do this. Is either you connect over the network using a LAN cable, because your video mixer, that's the OSEE GoStream video mixer, supports LAN cable, and you connect your laptop also with the LAN cable. So it's quite simple. So you want to get a LAN cable like this, and you connect the LAN cable directly to the video mixer port here. All right, so once it's entered like that, you just take the other end and connect it to your router. Then you get another a LAN cable. You get another LAN cable and connect it to your laptop through Ethernet cable or even over the Wi-Fi. Now, once you have your laptop connected to the same Ethernet as your GoStream with the LAN cable, they're both on the same network, then you go to your file and click on connect. Then you should see your video mixer here. Then you can just click on it and connect. That's if it does not connect automatically. So you just want to go to your file again, connect, then you click on it. You make sure that the same IP address as you can see here. But because I'm not connected via IP address, which leads us to the second way to connect your video mixer is by using the USB cable. Like I always say, always make sure that you get it with a strong data cable. You don't want to use you don't want to use all these flexible cable and chargers so you want to get a good data cable like this. Can you see this? So right now I've I've unplugged it from the laptop. So my software is going to be disconnected. As you can see now, you see it said no device was connected. So it says no device connected, as you can see. So to connect it back again, it's so simple. I have my USB plugged to the in one. Remember, in two is to record. Plug in one. You want to take the other end and plug it directly to your laptop. And Of course, it should connect automatically. Go to my connect, can you see it? You can see my GoStream, then I just click what? Connect. And yeah, there you have it. It's so easy to connect your GoStream control with your what? Your video mixer. And this brings us to the interface of the software. I mean, you can see how beautiful it is. We have the home, we have the audio interface where you can do everything about your audio. We also have the image. This is where you upload your pictures. This is where you upload your pictures and everything. Then you have the settings where you can customize your outlook. So it's quite a lot. I want to believe that you are set up now and ready to run your OSEE GoStream Duet ISO like a pro, or maybe your deck or Duet. And from downloading the software to updating your firmware to getting it installed and connected to your laptop, I want to believe that you got it all. So in my next video, we'll be looking at other things that we're going to do here, how to set up the stream, how to set up the recording, how to set up the multi-source, a lot of tutorials that we're going to go into on the OSEE GoStream video mixer and the software. So stay tuned. So if this video has helped you, do me a favor, smash the like button, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the content that I've got coming for you. And we'll be dropping a lot of content that's going to help you level up your production. That's a live production game, whether you're serving in church or maybe it's an event or maybe there's a full professional live setup. So just stay tuned. I'm going to break everything down for you. I'm certified, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.